Design Gateway presents QUIC GUI-IP on AMD devices.
The QUIC protocol is powerful but complex. Its heavy cryptographic processing can easily overwhelm system CPUs.
By offloading all cryptography, we provide QUIC GUI-IP that handles that complexity. No CPU overload. Full 1 gigabits per second wire speed. Let's see it in action on the Kria KR260 board. Set up the board, connect the cable, program the FPGA. While traditional serial consoles are still supported, our new graphical interface makes control faster and easier than ever. Simply open the GUI and click Connect to link directly through the JTAG UART terminal. With one click on Set Params, network configurations from a config file are automatically sent to the hardware. Using MyGet, the core establishes a secure connection and sends an HTTP request, with the server response displayed instantly. For performance validation, MyPerf monitors and plots transfer speeds in real time, demonstrating the efficiency of our hardware engine. In real testing on the Kria KR260 board, the system achieves over 900 megabits per second for both upload and download throughput. The choice is yours. Run QUIC in software and consume valuable CPU resources, or accelerate it entirely in hardware for full performance at wire speed.